Figma launches auto layout. Figma, the design tool maker that has raised nearly $83 million from investors such as Index Ventures, Sequoia, Greylock, and Kleiner Perkins, has today announced a new feature called Auto Layout that takes some of the tedious reformatting out of the design process. Designers are all too familiar with the problem of manually sizing content in new components. For example, when a designer creates a new button for a web page, the text within the button has to be manually sized to fit within the button. If the text changes, or the size of the button, everything has to be adjusted accordingly. This problem is exacerbated when there are many instances of a certain component, all of which have to be manually adjusted. Auto layout functions as a toggle. When it's on, Figma does all the adjusting for designers, making sure content is centered within components and that the components themselves adjust to fit any new content that might be added. When an item within a frame is resized or changed, the content around it dynamically adjusts along with it. Auto layout also allows users to change the orientation of a list of items from vertical to horizontal and back again, adjust the individual sizing of a component within a list, or reorder components in a list with a single click. Gallery hits equals 192050 192050 192050. It's a little like designing on autopilot. Auto layout also functions within the component system, allowing designers to tweak the source of truth without detaching the symbol or content from it, meaning that these changes flow through to the rest of their designs. Figma CEO Dylan Field said that there was very high demand for this feature from customers, and hopes that this will allow design teams to move much faster when it comes to user testing and iterative design. Alongside the launch, Figma is also announcing that it has brought on its first independent board member. Lynn Vojvodich joins both co-founders, Danny Reimer, John Lilly, Mamoon Hamid and observer Andrew Reed on the Figma board. Vojvodich has a wealth of experience as an operator in the tech industry, serving as EVP and CMO at Salesforce.com. She was a partner at Andreessen Horowitz, and led her own company Take3 for 10 years. Vojvodich also serves on the boards of several large corporations, including Ford Motor Company, Looker, and Dell. I've never brought on an investor that I haven't heavily reference checked, both with companies that have had success and those who don't, said Field. A good board can really help accelerate the company, but a challenging board can make it tough for companies to keep moving. Field added that, as conversations progressed with Vojvodich, she continually delivered value to the team with crisp answers and great insights, noting that her experience translates. For more on this story, visit the news article link.